In this video, we're going to cover some of the reports that are available within Reporter Suite. So upon login, the reports section can be found on the left navigation, and here you'll see it's expanded. And if you're a federal user, you'll notice all of the administrative office-based reports, and then all users will have the gross receipts ledger and accounts receivable. So if I click on the gross receipts ledger, for instance, what this allows me to do is select a specific date range to see my gross receipts. And in this case, I'll just go back just a little bit. The values are updated almost instantaneously. You don't have to wait for it to load or anything like that. I can download a PDF of this report, or I can print it. And that's the case with almost every report. So in this case, we're going to look at the AO 40A quarterly, in which case I can select the year and then the quarter. I can download a PDF or print it. And if you run into printer issues, make sure that you watch the print-related video that we've also offered as part of this video series. In this case, you'll notice that we've got the title and at the very bottom the address. And this isn't something our software does. This is something that the printer drivers do on your machine. So in this case, all I need to do, I'm in Google Chrome, but you can do this in Firefox and Internet Explorer and Safari, is I'm just going to disable headers and footers. That way I don't get the address or any of that other nonsense printed on this particular report. I'll go ahead and hit cancel and expand reports again. All of the reporting information is fed dynamically, so when you're creating invoices, creating expenses, those types of things, these invoices are automatically updated. So at tax filing purpose, or at tax filing time, or for general record keeping, or in the case of federal employees, when you need to report to the AO, you just simply head to the report section, click on the appropriate report, and export it out via PDF, print it, and submit it via ACRA. One thing that I should mention as well is now we have the ability to export rows of information. So for instance, if I head to my expenses and I just want something that I can export out, bring into Quicken, bring into Excel, you'll notice that we have an export button up at the top here. If I click on that, it's going to export this data in CSV format. If I go ahead and hit download, it's kind of getting cut off here. You'll see that we've got our expense entries.csv. If I go ahead and open this on my Mac, this is going to close this. This is going to give me a spreadsheet of all of my expenses, and although this doesn't look like Excel, numbers for Mac is almost identical. So this information can be brought into Excel, it can be reported against elsewhere, whatever you want to do. So between the fully fledged reports that are in Reporter Suite and the ability to export out data on a per subject basis, for instance expenses, there's an immense amount of reporting and record keeping capabilities built right into Reporter Suite. Thanks for watching.